99% of seniors don't know this about potatoes. Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to Zen Health Vibes, your go-to channel for a fulfilling, serene, and vibrant life. I'm thrilled to connect with you all today. We're about to explore a fascinating topic, one that concerns a humble, often underestimated food, yet it's packed with incredible secrets for our health. It's an ingredient found in almost every kitchen, and yet, its exceptional virtues are largely unknown, especially by our elders. Yes, you guessed it, I'm talking about the potato. Many see it as just a simple carb, a source of energy. But prepare to be amazed, because 99% of seniors are missing out on its true superpowers, benefits that could literally transform their daily well-being. So, buckle up, because the revelations are about to begin. The potato. More than just a starchy carb, a nutritional treasure. For many years, the potato has suffered from an unfair reputation, often blamed for weight gain or simply dismissed as a filler. But let me tell you, that perception is far from the truth, especially when compared to other more refined and less nutritious starches. In fact, the potato is a true nutritional goldmine, an astonishing root vegetable that deserves all our attention. Secret number 1. A potassium powerhouse for a robust heart and balanced blood pressure. Let's start with an absolutely fundamental secret for our seniors' health. The potato is an incredibly rich source of potassium. This precious mineral is a true guardian for our cardiovascular system. It's essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and ensuring the proper function of a strong and regular heart. This is particularly crucial for seniors, as the risk of high blood pressure increases with age. Potassium acts as a natural counterweight to sodium, salt, which is often in excess in our modern diet and can contribute to hypertension. Imagine a medium-sized potato, eaten with its skin, can contain more potassium than a banana. That's a thought-provoking statistic, isn't it? A simple and accessible ally for daily heart care. Secret number 2. An unexpected source of vitamin C for top-notch immunity and glowing skin. When we think of vitamin C, we immediately picture oranges or lemons. Well, get ready for a surprise. The potato is also an excellent source of this vital vitamin. Why is this so important for our elders? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that not only boosts our immune system, making it better able to fight off infections and seasonal illnesses, but it also plays a key role in collagen production. This means healthier skin, improved elasticity, and faster wound healing. A robust immune system is an indispensable shield as we age, and the potato offers us this valuable boost. Secret number 3. Essential fiber for harmonious digestion and stabilized blood sugar. If you choose to eat the potato with its skin, and I highly recommend it, you'll also benefit from a good amount of dietary fiber. Fiber is truly magical for our digestive system. It's crucial for ensuring healthy digestion and preventing constipation, unfortunately so common among older adults. But that's not all. Fiber also plays a major role in regulating blood sugar levels, helping to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar after meals. This is a significant advantage for people who are mindful of their diabetes or seeking to prevent it naturally. Secret number 4. Resistant starch, your gut microbiome's best friend. And here's a lesser-known but absolutely fascinating secret. The potato, especially when cooked and then cooled, develops a magical substance called resistant starch. Why is this so important for our seniors? Resistant starch isn't digested in the small intestine. It arrives intact in the large intestine, where it becomes the favorite food of our beneficial gut bacteria. It's a true prebiotic. And a healthy gut microbiome is linked to a multitude of benefits: improved immunity, better nutrient absorption, and even a positive influence on our mood. So, next time, consider making a potato salad in advance or letting your boiled potatoes cool before enjoying them. Your gut will thank you. How to eat potatoes to maximize their benefits. To fully enjoy all the treasures that potatoes have to offer, here are a few simple and effective tips. With the skin, always. This is where most of the fiber and many nutrients are concentrated. Wash it thoroughly and leave it on. Prioritize gentle, healthy cooking methods, steamed, boiled, or baked. Avoid frying as much as possible, which adds unnecessary fats and degrades some of the nutrients. Cooled is best for resistant starch. To maximize resistant starch production, let your cooked potatoes cool completely before eating them. You can then gently reheat them if you like, or incorporate them cold into salads. Be mindful of toppings. A plain potato is wonderful on its own. It's often the rich additions, butter, cream, heavy sauces, cheese, that make it less healthy. Opt for fresh herbs, a drizzle of quality olive oil, a little plain Greek yogurt, or spices to naturally enhance its flavor. The final word: rediscover this everyday treasure. As you can see, the potato is far more than just a bland side dish. It's a humble, yes, but incredibly powerful root vegetable, capable of providing significant and often overlooked benefits for the health and vitality of our seniors. Let's never forget that the key to good health lies in dietary diversity and moderation. The potato, with its many virtues, can perfectly integrate into a balanced and varied diet, providing you with energy and unexpected benefits. So, the next time you prepare this garden treasure, savor every bite knowing all the good it's doing for you. Rediscover this nutritional champion and let it enrich your daily life. If this video has enlightened you and you've learned some surprising things, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with your loved ones and friends so they can discover these secrets, and of course, subscribe to Zen Health Vibes so you don't miss any of our upcoming tips for a fulfilling and healthy life. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat potatoes? I can't wait to read your responses.